Today we're going to make a cool animated logo just using text. Okay, let's get started. First, we will drag the gradient image to the timeline. You can download the image from the internet. To make it easier to work with, change the canvas size to 25%. Now we move the image to the left-hand side of the canvas. Let's add a custom animation to the image. Move the animation a bit away from the start of the image on the timeline. Extend the custom animation almost to the end. Now with the playhead positioned at the end of the animation, we will move the image over to the right-hand side of the canvas. Let's play the video and see what happens. The animation is getting there. Restore the canvas to full size. Next, we will add 2 text annotations with a bit of a twist. Add a text annotation without a background above the image. Center it on the canvas and adjust its size. Now we will change the second word's color to yellow. You will later see why. Now we make a copy of the text annotation and add it to the timeline. Before we go further, test all the tracks by disabling them one by one. All looks fine. Let's add the final touches to the project. Let's add a media mat to track 2 and a glow effect to track 3 from the Visual Effects tab. Make sure to adjust the radius and intensity to 100% for maximum effect. Lastly, we will add the slide right transition to track 3 and extend it. Now let's test the animation and adjust its timing. It looks great. Now let's group the animation. And go ahead and save it into the Camtasia library. There you have it. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your animation. Remember to hit the like button and do subscribe. Till next time.